Welcome to RenovationX. Do you think decorating your home has to be expensive? Think again. Today, we're diving into the best DIY home decor trends that will give your space a fresh, stylish look, without spending a fortune. Whether you're a homeowner looking to upgrade your living room or a renter searching for easy, budget-friendly ideas, this video is for you. And stay with me till the end, because I'll share a $5 trick that makes any room look expensive. Let's start with the first trend, and trust me, you won't believe how easy and affordable it is. 1. Luxe-looking wall panels on a budget. Walls play a big role in how a home looks and feels. But custom wall panels can be very expensive, and not every DIY lover wants to spend so much on a single upgrade. The good thing is, there is a way to get the same high-end look without spending too much. Instead of using real wood panels, people can use peel and stick moldings or even a simple paint trick to create the effect of real paneling. This method is not only budget-friendly but also renter-friendly because it can be removed without damaging the walls. It is easy to install and does not require any special tools. With just a little effort, plain walls can be transformed into something that looks stylish and expensive. Another great thing about this trend is that it works in any room. Whether it is a living room, bedroom, or even a hallway, this small change makes a big difference. It adds depth, texture, and a designer feel without the high cost. Some people even use lightweight foam molding, which is easy to cut and attach with adhesive. The best part is the transformation. Once the wall panels are in place, the space looks completely different, almost like it was professionally designed. Small details like this make a home feel more elegant and put together. Now, let's move on to another trend that will brighten up any space in the most stylish way. 2. DIY designer-inspired lighting. Lighting has the power to change the entire mood of a home. A well-placed lamp or stylish pendant light can make a space feel cozy, elegant, or modern. But designer lighting often comes with a very high price. Many people end up keeping the same basic lights for years because upgrading seems too expensive. The good news is that lighting can be updated in a budget-friendly way. With some creativity, everyday materials can be turned into beautiful, stylish light fixtures. Some homeowners are using thrifted lamps and giving them a new life with a fresh coat of paint or a unique lampshade. Others are using affordable items like dollar store bowls, metal baskets, or wooden frames to create their own custom pendant lights. These simple DIY projects add a designer look to any room at a very low cost. The best thing about this trend is that it works with any home style. Whether it is a modern, bohemian, or classic design, lighting can be customized to match the space perfectly. A simple swap from old, dull lighting to a statement piece makes the whole room look new and stylish. This is a trend that anyone can try because it does not require any special skills. The results are always impressive, and guests will never guess that the light fixture was a DIY project. Now, let's talk about another trend that not only improves the look of a space but also makes it feel larger and brighter. 3. The high-end mirror wall trick. A mirror wall is one of the best ways to make a home feel more open and spacious. It reflects light, making rooms look brighter and bigger. But installing a full mirror wall using designer panels can be very costly. Many DIY lovers think they need to spend hundreds of dollars to get this stylish look. However, there is an easy and affordable way to do it using budget-friendly materials. One of the best tricks is to use small, inexpensive mirrors from discount stores and arrange them in a grid pattern on a wall. This gives the same effect as a high-end mirror wall but costs much less. The transformation is instant, and the space looks more modern and polished. Some people even take this a step further by adding thin frames around each mirror to make them look custom-made. This small detail makes a big difference in how the final result looks. Another reason why this trend is so popular is that it works in different areas of the home. A mirror wall in a dining room, hallway, or bedroom creates a stylish focal point while also making the space feel larger. Even renters can try this trend by using removable adhesive strips, so the mirrors can be taken down without leaving any damage. The best thing about this trick is that it looks just as good as expensive mirror installations, but at a fraction of the cost. 4. Upcycled vintage decor, the thrift flip trend. Many people want their space to feel unique and stylish, but new decor can be expensive. Instead of buying brand new pieces, more people are turning to thrift stores, flea markets, and even their own storage rooms to find old items that can be transformed. This trend, known as thrift flipping, is all about taking outdated or forgotten pieces and giving them a fresh, modern look. A simple wooden chair can be repainted and reupholstered to look brand new. An old dresser can be upgraded with fresh paint, new handles, or even a peel and stick wallpaper design. Even small items like picture frames, vases, and candle holders can be refreshed with a coat of gold spray paint to give them a high-end look. The best part about upcycling is that it allows DIY lovers to create one-of-a-kind pieces that match their personal style. Instead of searching for the perfect decor in stores, they can make it themselves with just a little creativity. Another great benefit is the cost. Many thrifted items cost just a few dollars, making this a budget-friendly way to decorate without sacrificing style. Some homeowners even find free furniture online or in second-hand groups and turn it into stunning decor pieces. The transformation can be incredible, and guests would never guess that these items were once considered old or outdated. This trend is not only affordable but also sustainable, giving old items a second life instead of throwing them away. 5. Rental-friendly peel and stick magic. Many people and renters want to update their space but worry about making permanent changes. Traditional home upgrades like new floors, tile backsplashes, or painted walls can be expensive and hard to undo. That's why peel and stick decor has become one of the most popular DIY trends. Peel and stick wallpaper is an easy way to add color, pattern, or texture to a room without damaging the walls. It comes in many designs, from modern geometric prints to classic floral patterns, and can be applied in just a few minutes. Some homeowners even use it on furniture, turning a plain dresser or bookshelf into a stylish statement piece. Another game-changing product is peel and stick backsplash tiles. They look just like real tile but are much more affordable and easy to install. They are perfect for renters who want to upgrade their kitchen or bathroom without making a permanent change. Peel and stick floor tiles are also a great option for refreshing a space without spending a lot. They can cover old, worn-out floors and give a room a brand new look. These DIY upgrades not only save money but also allow DIY lovers to update their decor whenever they want. If they get tired of a design, they can simply remove it and try something new. Peel and stick products make decorating simple, stylish, and budget-friendly. 6. Quick and easy high-end decor hacks. Sometimes, small changes can make a big impact in a home. Many people want their space to look elegant and expensive, but they don't realize that a few simple tricks can achieve that without spending a lot of money. One of the easiest ways to upgrade a home is by using thrifted picture frames. A cheap frame can be transformed with gold spray paint or matte black paint to give it a designer look. Adding black and white prints or minimal artwork inside the frames makes them look high-end. Another great trick is using decorative molding. A simple strip of molding can be added to doors, walls, or furniture to make them look more custom and stylish. Another quick and affordable way to elevate a space is by swapping out basic hardware. Many DIY lovers don't realize how much cabinet handles, drawer pulls, and doorknobs affect the look of a space. Replacing old hardware with modern gold, matte black, or vintage brass designs makes a kitchen or bathroom feel brand new. Even budget-friendly furniture can look expensive with upgraded hardware. Another easy trick is layering different textures in a room. Throw pillows, cozy blankets, and stylish rugs instantly make a space feel warm and inviting. Using different fabrics like linen, velvet, or faux fur adds depth and a luxurious feel. These simple changes do not require a big budget but make a home look more put together. 7. The rise of DIY indoor gardens. Bringing nature indoors is one of the biggest home decor trends, and it doesn't have to be expensive. Homeowners are using plants to create a fresh and stylish look in their homes without spending much. A simple way to start is with small potted plants, which add color and life to any space. Instead of buying expensive plant pots, many people are using thrifted bowls, baskets, or even old mugs to create unique planters. A little paint or rope can transform a basic container into a beautiful home for plants. Hanging plants are also a great way to decorate without taking up floor space. A simple DIY hanging planter can be made using macrame rope or metal hooks. For those who want a bigger impact, DIY plant walls are becoming very popular. People are attaching small shelves or cupboards to walls and filling them with different types of plants. This creates a lush, green display that makes a home feel fresh and inviting. Another affordable idea is growing herbs in the kitchen. Small herb gardens can be made using recycled jars or wooden crates, and they not only look beautiful but are also useful for cooking. Plants bring a natural and relaxing feel to any home while also improving air quality. Whether it's a small windowsill garden or a full wall of greenery, this trend is perfect for anyone who wants to refresh their space in a budget-friendly way. 8. DIY personalized decor and handmade accents. Personalized decor is becoming more popular because it makes a home feel special and unique. Instead of buying generic decorations, DIY lovers are choosing to create their own handmade pieces that reflect their personality and style. One simple way to do this is by making DIY wall art. Instead of spending money on expensive prints, homeowners are using canvas and acrylic paint to create their own abstract art. Even simple brush strokes or geometric designs can create a modern and stylish look. Another creative idea is making custom signs with meaningful quotes or family names. Using wooden boards and stencils, homeowners can easily create beautiful signs that add a personal touch to their space. Handmade pottery and clay decor are also trending. Many people are shaping their own candle holders, vases, and trays using air-dry clay. These small handmade pieces add character and charm to any home. Another easy and budget-friendly idea is creating custom candles. By melting old wax and adding essential oils, people can make beautiful scented candles in unique containers like teacups or mason jars. Handmade decor not only saves money but also adds a warm and cozy feel to a home. It makes the space feel personal and one of a kind. 9. Budget-friendly textile upgrades for a cozy home. One of the easiest and most affordable ways to refresh a home is by updating textiles. Fabrics like curtains, rugs, throw pillows, and blankets can completely change the feel of a space without requiring any major renovations. Many homeowners don't realize how much a simple swap can transform a room. Instead of buying brand new items, an easy budget-friendly trick is to repurpose or customize existing textiles. Old curtains can be dyed a new color to match a fresh decor theme. Basic throw pillows can be upgraded by adding decorative trim or using no-sew fabric glue to create a stylish new cover. Even outdated furniture can get a brand new look with a DIY slipcover made from affordable fabric. Another great idea is layering different textures to add warmth and depth to a space. A soft area rug over existing flooring instantly makes a room feel cozier and more inviting. Faux fur, knitted blankets, or linen pillow covers create a designer feel for a fraction of the cost. Many DIY lovers are even using fabric to create DIY wall hangings, headboards, or table runners, adding unique and personal touches to their space. These small changes don't just improve the look of a home, they also make it feel more comfortable and welcoming. With so many affordable textile options available, refreshing a space has never been easier. Now that we've explored so many budget-friendly decor trends, let's wrap things up with a final surprise that will make any home look expensive with just one small trick. 10. The $5 trick that makes any room look expensive. After exploring so many budget-friendly decor ideas, there's one final trick that DIY lovers are using to instantly make their space feel luxurious, and it costs as little as $5. The secret? Strategic lighting with warm-toned LED bulbs. Many homes come with standard bright white bulbs, which can make a space feel cold and uninviting. But swapping them out for soft, warm-toned LED bulbs changes everything. This small detail creates a cozy, high-end atmosphere, making any room feel more stylish and welcoming. Another simple but powerful upgrade is using LED strip lights. Placing them under kitchen cabinets, behind a headboard, or along bookshelves creates a beautiful glow that gives a designer feel to any space. These lights are affordable, easy to install, and instantly make a home look modern and elegant. Even a basic thrifted lamp can be upgraded with the right lighting to create a sophisticated ambience. This trick works in every part of the home, from the living room to the bedroom, and it's renter-friendly since it doesn't require permanent changes. It's amazing how such a small adjustment can make a big difference. And with that, we've reached the end of our DIY home decor journey. With these budget-friendly ideas, homeowners can transform their space without spending a fortune. Now it's time to get creative and start decorating. And that's it. These DIY home decor trends prove that you don't need a big budget to create a stylish and beautiful home. With just a little creativity and a few affordable materials, any space can feel fresh, modern, and high-end. Whether it's upgrading walls, adding cozy lighting, or giving old items a new life, there are so many ways to make a home feel special without spending a fortune. Now it's your turn. Which DIY trend are you excited to try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more budget-friendly home decor tips. See you in the next one.